Trump's pulling out of Pacific Green, leaving islands drowning in the rising sea. Tankers seizing the Atlantic cold, Venezuelan oil, Russian Lysol.